Hello and welcome. Today we are making keto salmon muffins, but not the kind you've had before. They may look simple, but one ingredient in here changes everything. These savory salmon muffins are the kind of snack that makes people pause mid-bite and ask, "Wait, what is in this?" Packed with protein, rich in healthy fats, and dotted with crunchy seeds, they deliver real nourishment without sacrificing flavor. But the real magic comes from a quiet little addition, a secret ingredient that transforms the texture entirely. Light, airy, and unexpectedly rich, it gives these muffins their signature fluff and satisfying bite. You'd never guess what it is, but once you know, you'll never make keto muffins without it again. Let's build these keto salmon muffins. We start with the basics: flavor, texture, and real nutrition. So we have onion powder, garlic powder, a touch of cheddar, black pepper, pink salt, baking powder for lift, our protein based canned salmon, 3 whole eggs, pumpkin seeds, hemp hearts, sunflower seeds, and then this, the ingredient you didn't expect, the one that transforms the texture completely. We'll come back to it. Take a medium sized bowl and start by mixing all the dry ingredients together. This blend gives the muffins their structure and crunch. Add the salmon and break it down right into the mix. Small flakes help everything combine. Then add the 3 eggs and bring it all together into a thick, hearty batter. Once the batter is all combined and smooth, grab a 6-cup muffin tray and give it a light spray of coconut oil. Then spoon the mixture evenly into each cup. If you want extra richness, drop a tiny piece of butter on top of each one. You've seen everything else. You've seen all the other ingredients. Now here's the twist that makes these muffins unbelievably fluffy. Pork rinds transforms the texture entirely. It's light, it's airy, it's unexpectedly rich, and it gives these muffins their signature fluff and satisfying bite. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Slide the tray in, set your timer for 30 minutes, and let the magic happen. When the timer goes off, pull them out and let them rest for a moment. Check the muffins. They must be firm, golden, and pulling away from the edges. Move them to a serving plate and take a look at the texture. Dense, moist, and incredibly satisfying. And now, the best part, tasting time. I'm sure they are delicious by themselves, but if you like, you could try them with some low-carb sauce. If you've enjoyed this recipe, comment below and like and share it with your friends and family. The macros for this recipe are given in the description below. Thank you for watching.